मेरा मैम नमस्ते। ओम शांति।
Namaste, sir.
हाउ आर यू?
Good, sir. Thank you.
स्नेहा मैम।
And find it hard to.
Okay, sit in any comfortable position for start the class. Spine straight. Adopt Jnana Archin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cettasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. Oh. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. What was our last topic?
So classification of joints, types of synovial joints.
Yeah. How many classifications are there?
So classifications are 3.
2.
2. So synarthrosis, amphiarthrosis, and
No.
diarrhea.
That
those
is
are
the
the
types
functional.
of joint. Yeah.
Okay.
Functional classification. And
Okay.
first one is structural classification.
Okay. Structure and function. Yes.
Structural classification and functional classification. Structural classification have 3 types of joints: fibrous, cartilaginous, and synovial. And functional divided into 3 parts. Which 3 parts? Synarthrosis, amphiarthrosis, and diarthrosis. Clear? And synovial joints are most freely movable joints. Synovial joints have 6 parts. Synovial joints have 6 parts. The first one is hinge joint. Second is pivot joint. Third is
ellipsoid joint.
Fourth is
saddle joint.
Fifth is
gliding and ball and socket joint.
Ball and socket joint. The hip and shoulder joints are the example of ball and socket joint. So now we will move towards movement at synovial joints. What are the movements at synovial joints or function? Movements at synovial joints. Sneha ma'am.
Ji, namaskar.
Namaskar. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Where is your other Bali Yoga school students?
No, I'm at home. Like I'm not taking any classes.
Okay, you are not in Bali Yoga school?
No, I'm a student only. So
okay.
At home, like I'm in USA. So yeah, I'm because of time difference, I'm not able to joining a live classes. So here in PM right now. So yeah.
Thank you. So movement at synovial joint. First one is flexion. First movement, flexion. 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 What is flexion? Bending or reducing angle between 2 bones. Bending, bending, bending or reducing, reducing angle between 2 bones. It takes place at elbow, knee, wrist, shoulder, vertebral column. It takes place at elbow, knee, wrist, shoulder, vertebral column, neck and fingers. Neck and fingers. It takes place at elbow. Look here, elbow, reducing angle between two bones. The angle between humerus and ulnar radius. Reducing angle between humerus and ulnar radius is flexion. Okay. Same at knee. Bending of knee. Flexion. Wrist. This is straight palm. Bending of wrist. This is flexion. Okay. Shoulder. This movement of shoulder. Front up movement. Front side up movement is flexion. Okay. Vertebral column. Going forward. Moving, rotating forward of body is flexion through vertebral column. Okay. Neck. Taking your head down. Rotation of neck forward is flexion. Fingers. Phalanges. Movement of phalanges is flexion. Okay. Here angle reduce. Second one is extension. Second movement is extension. It is opposite to flexion. It is opposite to flexion, straightening of limbs, straightening of limbs, straightenning, straightening of limbs, are increasing angle at a joint, are increasing angle at a joint known as extension. Same, opposite to flexion. Earlier it is flexed, elbow flexed. Taking extension means extending of elbow is known as extension. Same at knee, at shoulder, taking it down is extension, and taking back also. Taking back also extension. Okay. Taking vertebral column straight or back is extension. Neck. Earlier it is down, taking up or back, it is extension. Fingers. Fingers earlier like this, flexed, taking it up, it is extension. Next movement is abduction. 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 Moving away from midline. Moving away from midline of body is known as abduction. Moving away from the midline of body. This is normal position of arm. Taking away from midline. What is our midline? Vertebral column. This is our midline. Okay. Taking away from midline is adduction. Abduction. Taking away from midline is abduction. Taking away of upper limb or lower limb. Clear? This is abduction. Next one is adduction, 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 adduction. Moving bone towards midline, moving bone towards midline of body is known as adduction, adduction. Movement takes place at limbs, hand, leg, fingers, and toes. Movement takes place at limbs. Look here, limbs. Movement takes place limbs. At upper limb, the full limb. Same in lower limb. Hand. This is hand. This is normally at the position near the midline. Taking it away, taking it outside is abduction, and taking it normal position is adduction. Taking it away is abduction, and taking normal position adduction, adding towards middle axis. Same fingers. For fingers, midline is our middle finger. For fingers, our middle axis is middle finger. Taking it away is abduction, and closing together is adduction. Adding of fingers, adduction. Taking away is abduction. Clear? Abduction and adduction. Same in toes. The next movement is pronation. 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 Pronation is inward rotation of forearm. This is normal arm. Inward rotation of forearm. Inward rotation of forearm or turning palm down. Turning palm down. Inward rotation of forearm or turning palm down is known as pronation. Next is supination. 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 What is supination? Rotation of forearm outward or turning palm upward. Rotation of forearm outward or turning palm upward. Like this. It's supination. Next movement is circumduction. 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 What is circumduction? Circumduction is the movement of a limb in a circular motion. Movement of a limb in a circular motion. It takes place at It takes place at arm and lower limb. It takes place at arm or upper limb and lower limb. Flexion, extension, adduction, and abduction involved in this motion. Flexion, Flexion, extension, 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 adduction, 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 and abduction, Abduction. These four movements are included in this motion, and it takes place at upper limb and lower limb. This one, this movement, circular movement, front to back and back to front. This is circumduction. Clear? Circumduction. Next movement is rotation. Rotation, rotation. What is rotation? Movement around the long axis. Movement around the long axis of a bone. Rotation of head side to side. Rotation of head side to side, or twisting of body, is the example of rotation. Rotation of head side to side, left side, right side on our axis is rotation, and twisting of body like Kati Chakrasan. Kati Chakrasan is comes under rotation. There is two type of rotation. There is two type of rotation. Two type of rotation. First one is lateral rotation. Lateral rotation. Lateral, lateral rotation. And second is medial rotation. Medial, medial rotation. What is lateral rotation? Rotation away from midline. Rotation away from midline means taking your head left side or right side is lateral rotation, and taking it back to center is medial. Medial. Taking it back to center is medial. From left to center or from right to center. Next movement is inversion. 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 What is inversion?
Sir, inversion means upside down.
Yeah, but that is not the actual example of inversion. Actual example of inversion is turning sole of foot inward. turning sole of foot inward. Sole of foot. Our sole of foot turning inward is the actual example of inversion. Okay. Write down turning sole of foot inward is inversion. The next movement is eversion. Eversion. E-V-E-R-S-I-O-N. Eversion. What is eversion? Turning sole of foot outward. Turning sole of foot outward. Outward turning of sole of foot is eversion. And there is three more flexions. There is three more flexions other than flexion. First one is dorsiflexion. Dorsiflexion. D-O-R-S-I-F-L-E-X-I-O-N. Dorsiflexion. D-O-R-S-I-F-L-E-X-I-O-N. Dorsiflexion. Yes, Mira ma'am. Anything? No. What is dorsiflexion? Pointing toe upward. Pointing toe upward. Means upward movement of our toe is dorsiflexion. Second is plantar flexion. P-L-A-N-T-E-R. P-L-A-N-T-E-R. Plantar flexion. Plantar flexion. What is plantar flexion? Pointing toe downward. Pointing toe downward is plantar flexion. And third is lateral flexion. Lateral, L-A-T-E-R-A-L, lateral flexion. This is bending of the neck or body, bending of neck and body towards right or left. Bending of neck and body towards right or left means our head movement on atlas. Bending our neck or body right or left, and body left or right means that is Tiryak Tadasana. Tiryak Tadasana is the example of lateral flexion. Next movement is elevation. E-L-E-V-A-T-I-O-N. Elevation. What is elevation? Movement in superior direction, especially shoulder movement. Movement in superior direction. This movement is elevation. When we are doing inversion like handstand, that time also we elevate our body for fine balance. Movement in superior direction means upward direction is example of elevation. Next is depression. DEPRESSION, depression. The movement in inferior direction. Movement in inferior direction, like from superior to inferior, taking your shoulder or scapula down, is the example of depression. Movement in inferior direction, INFERIOR, inferior direction. Next movement is protraction. PROTRACTION, protraction. Protraction, taking your shoulder forward, shoulder forward. Taking shoulder forward is protraction, means we protracting something. And next movement is retraction. Retraction, RETRACTION, retraction. What is retraction? Taking shoulder backward or taking scapula towards each other. Taking scapula means back shoulder plate towards each other is retraction, and taking away our scapula is protraction. So these are the movements at synovial joint. Revise once again. First one is flexion, bending or reducing angle between two bones, flexion, and increasing the angle between two bones is extension. Okay. Taking away from the central axis is abduction, and taking towards some central axis is adduction. Okay. Pronation. Pronation is rotation inward of forearm or taking palm downward is pronation, and taking palm upward or rotating our forearm, rotating our forearm outward is supination. Okay. And the next is circumduction. What is circumduction? The circular motion of at a limb is known as circumduction. It takes place at upper limb and lower limb. Flexion, extension, adduction, and abduction all are involved in this motion. The next movement is rotation. Rotation, this is movement around the long axis. Movement around the long axis means rotation of head side to side or twisting of body. Twisting of body. The rotation is two types: lateral rotation and medial rotation. Taking away from midline is lateral rotation, and taking towards to midline is medial rotation. Next is inversion. Turning sole of foot inward is inversion, and turning sole of foot outward is eversion. Next, there is three other types of flexions. First one is Dorsiflexion. What is dorsiflexion? Pointing toe upward. Pointing toe upward is dorsiflexion, and pointing toe downward is plantar flexion. Okay. And third flexion is lateral flexion, bending of the neck or body towards right or left. Bending of the body also, like Tiryak Tadasana. Okay. Is lateral flexion. Next one is elevation, movement in superior direction. Movement in superior direction is elevation, and movement in inferior direction is, what is the movement of inferior direction? Depression.
Taking our shoulder down. Yeah.
Yeah, depression.
Depression.
Our shoulder down is depression.
Hmm.
Next is protraction.
Protraction.
Protraction. Taking our scapula away from each other. Taking our scapular shoulder blade away from each other. It is protraction.
Forward.
Yeah, taking away scapula from each other or taking your shoulder forward. Same thing.
Yeah.
Experience with yourself. Take your arm away. It will go, scapula going away towards each other.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes. Yes.
And taking your scapula towards each other or taking your shoulder back is
Retraction.
retraction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
So enough for today's class. We will learn about bone and structure of long bone from tomorrow. So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Spine straight, adopt Gyan or Chin Mudra. This is Gyan Mudra. Place on knee, upward or downward direction. Upward direction is Chin Mudra, downward direction is Gyan Mudra. Inhale deeply for 1 time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. Closing mantra, repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pasyantu.
Sarve bhadrani pashyantu.
Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet.
Ma kaschid dukhabhagvate.
Om.
Om.
Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class. We will meet again tomorrow. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.